Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed articles where we will use them. Today we will take the exercises of the articles, definite articles or indefinite articles. Definite articles, that is the indefinite articles a and the. So first of all, fill in the blanks with the where necessary. The table was made of dash wood. No article. Here we will not use any article. Wood. Next, water in the pot is not fit for drinking. What would be particular water? The water in that pot. So here will come the. Next, sweets we took after meals were very tasty. Which sweets? The sweets. When do you have dash breakfast? No article used. Are you attending dash dinner tonight? The dinner tonight. Why do we wear clothes? No clothes. So here no article will be. Now see next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the where necessary. Some soaps are made of the oils. Of oils, no articles. Some of only chemicals. Dash iron is found in India. And iron is found in India. The iron is no article. In India, more people drink milk than dash wine. Milk. In India, more people drink the milk than the wine. Dash mangoes are grown in India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Will you play dash the cricket? Will you play cricket? She plays basketball very well. So I am telling you where we will not use definite article. Definite article, do not put the before the names of substance if they are used in general sense. As in iron, we will not use here. Iron is found in India. Do not put the names of meals as in breakfast. We will not use here the. Do not use the before plural nouns when they are used in general sense. As mangoes are grown, no article is used. Do not use the before the names of games. Will you play the cricket? No, it will not be. Will you play cricket? Do not put the names of the countries unless the name denotes that it is made of parts. Okay, so students, you will do this exercise. Next exercise, it is fill in the blanks with a or and. Dash man and dash woman were sitting opposite me. A man and a woman were sitting opposite me. During our holiday, we stayed at a hotel. For our dinner, we went to a restaurant. As it was raining, I took an umbrella because it is vowel. On the day I saw an elephant, very good, and he is vowel. I am an Indian whereas you are Chinese. So students, I think you are able to understand this.